You don't want to be in the video? No? I stopped taking hormones because hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melina. I do videos about makeup, plants, my life, and travel. But today, I have my little Dolly right here. She's my co-host today. You don't want to be in the video? No? No? Don't worry. I guess not. Okay, well that's Sophie. Anyways, I do videos about makeup, plants, my life, and travel. But today, y'all read the title, and for the, let's get the cat, or the dog, or whatever, out of the bag. Let me tell you, first of all, I'm trans, for those of y'all that didn't know. And if it bothers you, you might want to exit out of this video, and if it doesn't, hi, I'm Melina. But anyways, this video is about hormones, and yes, I technically did stop taking hormones for like 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks, and it's not clickbait because I did stop taking hormones, but it wasn't because I wanted to. So let me explain to you. Like, before I start this story time video, whatever you want to call it, please do take the time to subscribe to my channel, and if you want to follow me on all my social media at Melina Glam on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok, I believe. But anyways, yeah, without further ado, let's start this video. Okay, you guys, background noise. I'm still working on getting fish. The fish tank is cycling. For those of you that don't know, you can't just buy fish and put them in there. They're gonna die. You need to cycle it, add chlorine killer things and ammonia reducing shit, and you gotta cycle it, add chemicals, not chemicals. You gotta add stuff to it, like beneficial bacteria and shit. But anyways, we're not talking about that. I stopped taking hormones because I'm lazy. Yes, I'm lazy, and I know like 95% of America's lazy. I'm not trying to call y'all lazy, but we are lazy. Like, everybody gets lazy. So with hormones, you talk to therapists, you have appointments, you have checkups, you get checked every 3 months, and you got regular checkups too. So if you miss like a few of those, then they have the right to cut you off, girl. So I got really lazy, and on top of that, my car was in the shop. I didn't have a phone, so I kind of like missed a couple appointments. So like, I ran out of hormones, and I'm like, oh shit, I need to get my shit together. Let me call this place, and then like pretty much put me on a waiting list. But it wasn't that bad. It was only for like 2 weeks, and then like my hormones came in again. But yeah, one thing I will tell you, future baby trannies out there, please don't be lazy. Please make all your appointments. Make sure when you book your appointments that you think it out, and like make sure you don't have anything planned, and don't plan anything, because it's serious, bitch. Like, I got lucky. My, I guess, counselor, whatever you call the person that gives me my hormones, told me, like, girl, you're lucky because there's other, like, girls like you that are on the waiting list for, like, 3 months. And I'm like, girl, I'm gonna turn back into a boy. But, oh my God, no way. Like, yeah, it's scary. Like, no hormones, like, I feel like everything was going backwards. My titties were like not growing. Oh my God, I don't want to get demonetized, but these girls weren't growing as much as they normally do. Like, I feel like like I was deflating and I'm like, ah. And then like my hair was starting like to grow back normal. What else did I notice? I don't know, I'm like, I felt weird, and it had only been 2 weeks off of hormones. Like, that is so crazy. It's crazy. Okay, that's the main reason I missed like a couple dosages of hormones, 2 weeks, I guess. That and I kind of forget to take my hormones sometimes. Like, I'm like, I don't know, I'm busy with life, doing other things that I just totally forget. Yeah, don't forget, like, mark it, like, I know my friend, she has like a little timer on her iPhone, and then it, like a little alarm, and it goes off, and then she takes her hormones. I think that's a really good idea. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, and don't take them with alcohol like me. Don't be a crazy ass bitch. But yeah, that's the reason I stopped taking hormones. Not because I want to detransition. Hell no. Like, I think I look pretty good. Okay, let me give you a close up. I think the hormones are working. By the way, I'm going on 8 months. That's crazy. 7 months technically, since I missed like 2 weeks. But oh my god. Well, yeah, look at that. I think there's like a video like that, but yeah. Oh my god, you guys, I'm trying a different angle because I feel like the lighting looks, I don't know. Well, anyways, Bae ordered me some lights for my birthday, so this whole setup is gonna be like really good in like future videos. But yeah, take your pills, girls. And it doesn't even have to be about hormones. With anything, like, take your medication, unless it's like shit to make you go crazy. Like, toss it out the window, girl. Yeah. Oh my god, my Monstera is dying. Oh my god, you guys, I got distracted because my Monstera is dying. I definitely gotta water her. So I'm gonna let you guys go, but yeah, that's my story. I stopped taking hormones. I don't want to detransition. I never said I wanted to. It's not clickbait because I technically did go out of hormones for like 2 weeks because of laziness, and because I missed appointments, and because I just forget to take my hormones. And the side effects are that you're gonna turn back into a fucking man. You're gonna turn back into a brick. So drink your hormones, you guys. It was so bad, 2 weeks without them, and I was already feeling crazy. So yeah, not a good idea. Don't miss your hormones, girls. Take it seriously. Drink your meds, because it's crazy. Like, our final goal is to look fucking beautiful, and at least it is for me now. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna keep taking my hormones. I'm going on 8 months. I'll keep y'all updated on my hormone journey because I started in October. We're already in July. Damn. Wait. Well, I started like in the end of October, so damn, my 1 year is coming up. I don't know. I'm like really bad at math, but yeah. Anyways, you guys, thanks for sitting down with me and talking about hormones. If you have any questions, if you want to know where I get my hormones and you're in the DFW area, the Dallas, Texas area, let me know. DM me. I already gave you my ads. It's at Melina Glam. Yeah, I'll keep y'all updated. Everything is... One last thing, like, as soon as I got back, seriously, like, taking my hormones, like, everything bounced back. Like, these are growing again. Like, they're starting to hurt again. Oh, and they did up my dosage because I talked to my doctor and I told her, girl, I was out for like 2 weeks and I'm feeling like I'm deflating. I'm turning back into a man. Like, come on, give me more hormones. And she said, girl, yeah, we're gonna double your dosage. So I'm taking a little more now, higher dosage. And I'm feeling great. I did feel I do get a little more emotional. Emotions are off the roof, but other than that, life's great. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. My name is Melina. Bye. Subscribe. Like this video. And mwah. Adios.